आज हम करने वाले हैं चैलेंज अबाउट हु नोज मी बेटर, एज यू कैन रीड द टाइटल. सो जिसके ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स होंगे उसको मिलेगा बहुत सारा प्यार, और जिसके कम होंगे उसको मैं बहुत मारूंगी, तो उसको मिलेगा बहुत सारा मार, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली दे बोथ शुड नो मी equally better. Yeah. So let's get into this and start with our questions. मैंने सारे questions note down किए हुए हैं, and let's see who answers the right ones. Okay, let's do this. So one side there's my real brother and other side is my cousin, जो मेरी best friend की जैसी ही है. So let's see, दोनों में tough competition होने वाला है.
It's me.
That we'll see.
It's me.
That time will decide and the questions will decide, answers will decide. So चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let me start with question number 1. So first question is, what is my shoe size? Start. He's already blank. Both
Yeah.
of you are ready with your answers?
Yeah.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. What is it? What did you write?
US 5.
Size 7.
Okay. So US 5 तो दूर दूर तक भी नहीं है मेरा. दूर दूर तक भी नहीं है. What is US 5? Nowhere. 7 is still close. दो मेरा 8 है अभी. My answer is
7. 7. Because
My-
I know it's UK 7.
my size.
H&M is 7. Zara is 7.
My size has now changed. मैं 8 prefer करती हूँ because my no.
What is US 5 then?
He is so written random. What is US
No.
5?
US 5 is something else.
Small?
22, 20.
US 5 is too big. जो हमने अभी
Too
nine-
big.
Okay, the point goes to Miloni because she is close enough and 8 है मेरा जो भी change हो चुका है, but 7 is my actual size, but मैं अभी 8 prefer करती हूँ. ठीक है. So Miloni 1, Janel 0. शर्म नहीं आ रही. हंस रहा है. ठीक है. Next question. When did I start blogging? Oh my God, मेरे को लगता है Janel मार खाने वाला है. You'll have to write the year.
Blogging as in blog post नहीं बोलूँ.
इसको बड़े यार, इसको बहुत डाउट है. When did I start blogging? Question mark. बात खत्म. उतना ही है क्वेश्चन. जैनल को अगर ये नहीं पता होगा, because he was the one who was clicked pictures and done stuff. Let's see.
Yeah, I was there.
Are you ready with the answers, guys?
Yeah.
Guys.
3, 2, 1, go. 2015, 2016. Okay, the right answer is 2015.
Yes.
You just manipulated you guys. It was
So-
very random.
So the question was, when did I started blogging? My first blog I wrote was in November 2015.
That is 16, probably in a month.
16, probably in a month.
No, but you're wrong. I win,
Janel
guys.
1,
I win.
Miloni 1.
It's 1-1. Don't underestimate me, okay?
Next question is, what is the most craziest thing a fan has ever done for me? Ready?
1 sec. Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
A tattoo on chest.
Tattoo.
Right, both of you are right. Yay! 2, both of you 2. चलो अच्छा है. Balance
know
है,
you, of course
कुछ
we
तो
know.
balance है. Okay. Next question. What is the first thing that I do when I wake up? अगर सांस लेती हूँ ऐसे सब लिखा ना तो बहुत मारूंगी दोनों को. Ready, guys? What are the answers?
Check your phone,
Phone.
probably.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
That's right. Guilty. I'm guilty. But that's right. Then, are you ready, Janil?
Yes.
Our model is taking so much time, you know.
Yeah, dude.
Spot data, please, इनको makeup, checkup, सब
करवा दो.
Fine नाश्ता, अच्छा
करवा
नाश्ता.
दो. Sorry.
Okay, next question is how many kids do I want?
Sorry?
How many kids do I want?
Kids!
Yeah, babies. 3, 2, 1, go.
2 or 3?
2.
He was more precise. When
You wanted more kids. Always.
1.
your kids are mine, na?
2.
But 2 is the like balanced number that I thought of as a
सोचा है.
सोचा था.
So this can't be counted. Huh?
No,
This is
I
counted.
win.
So
Yeah,
the score
so I'm
is
leading
now
right now.
4-3. Next question is what pisses me off the most?
बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. अभी एक कैसे लिखूं?
सर
Pisses
रास्ता
me
पड़ेगा
off.
ना.
I know it, guys. I really, really know it. It has to be this.
Ready, guys?
Yeah.
Answers.
Lies. She cannot.
Betrayal.
Cannot stand lies. That's for sure. So yeah.
धोखा. अरे.
Can't stand lies. She cannot.
It's one and the same.
No, betrayal is dhoka
Different.
and
It's
lies
dhoka.
are jhoot.
Jhoot.
So
She can't-
yeah,
yeah.
I hate. Even this pisses me off.
हाँ.
But you know वो चार्ट में पहली जो
So we
आती
share the
चीज
points.
no जो आती ना पहली चीज या I hate lies and मुझे झूठ मत बोलो. Yeah. So now again you guys are equal. The score is equal. Tough competition दे रहे हो एक दूसरे को. वाह वाह. Let's jump on to next question. Oh, let's see if they know this. Which is the ready guys?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Which is the most viral and most loved video of mine?
Every video of yours is.
Yeah, it's almost viral. How do we?
There's
know that?
one video that was loved.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. You're not supposed to look.
One second. I mean, I'm.
She's looking at your answers. I'm sure both of them don't know the answer.
I know the answer.
देखते हैं. Me too.
मुझे पता है ये आंसर.
Take.
You're ready.
You ready? You ready with the answer?
Yeah, because I really don't know.
3, 2, 1. What have you written? Transition video. What have you written?
16th November. The one video where you distributed the cakes. You are wearing white color garment. That video, I do remember that video.
He is right! My most loved and my most viral video was the one where I celebrated my birthday with small babies.
Celebrating birthday with babies.
Yeah, the street people. So, yeah. Very disappointed.
But you know.
वैसे तो बहुत सारे ऑप्शन थे.
Yeah.
सोचना बहुत
But
डिफिकल्ट था.
that's why I mentioned most viral and most loved. Because this
Smart
video
question.
was most loved. So Janil is leading right now. It's 5-4. Okay, let's do the next question. ये भाई साहब ready नहीं हो रहे यार मतलब.
चलो I'm ready.
Yeah. The next question is. What are the 3 qualities that I look for in a guy? Ready with the answers?
Yeah.
So you go first.
So it's looks, loyalty, and genuine. So the guy has to be good looking for sure, loyal, which is like topmost, and genuine because you can't stand lies. So yeah.
Okay. What are the answers?
Self-independent, loyal, intelligent, smart enough as in.
Okay. दोनों नहीं guess कर पाए. So I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
What do you want?
Okay, so loyal is right. मतलब आप लोगों ने जो लिखा है वो सही है. I want that also, but 3 top qualities are loyal. Loyal.
तो loyal तो लिखूँ.
I got it right.
That's what you all wrote 1 point. That is right.
Right.
Loyal, passionate, and mature. ठीक है.
Looks चलेगा.
Looks is nowhere यार. Looks तो यार कितना टिकेगा यार.
तो सबका स्कोप है.
सबका स्कोप है दोस्तों. गाइस,
कट. सो जो यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है, हु डू आई लव मोर?
हम दोनों में से.
हाँ, जो भी आप प्रेजेंट है, हु डू आई लव मोर? ये होता है शॉर्ट लोगों का उपयोग. देख रहे हो आप लोग? रेडी गाइस? आंसर्स?
First Milu.
no, one second.
First Milu.
You can't change.
You can't change now.
I want to change right away.
No.
No.
Show your answer.
No.
Show your answer.
Arre, just-
Show your answer.
Show your answer.
Me, otherwise you're gone.
What's
But
your
I know it
answer?
for the fact it's you.
We yourself.
Yeah.
Yes! My question was who do I love more? जो यहाँ पे present है, मैंने इसलिए I am playing safe. मेरे को दोनों में से choose ही नहीं करना. मैंने खुद को choose किया. I love myself, guys. And he wrote it right. जो मुझे expected नहीं था.
So it's 6.
मैंने खुद इमेजिन
It's
क्या
6-4.
किया. मैं वो क्वेश्चन पूछता तो क्या करता. So I would also have played
3,
safe.
2, 1.
Score please.
6-4.
6-4.
Okay, next question. If I get a tattoo, what will it be?
12 seconds later.
Tattoo. What it'll be?
20 minutes later.
Guys, time's up. Guys,
Yeah.
ready?
Yeah.
Go for it.
So basically, you're not obsessed with the idea of tattoo, but if you get it, it'll be something related to family. Yeah.
What's your answer?
Same answer. Family or anything related to V.
Okay, she was more precise.
Yeah, I mean, you're not obsessed with the idea of tattoo.
Yeah, and
So I win clearly.
yeah, if
But
I
she wrote family.
And
Yeah.
I said if you would get it.
So I also wrote
But my
family.
first answer,
You've written two answers, which is family and V, but family is the only thing I have thought of. So if I get a tattoo, it's gonna be family, and she wrote it very precisely, so very clearly.
It's
Melody
equal right
Gandhi
now.
wins. It's not equal. It's
Oh.
6-5.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Now let's
6,
jump on to the
5.
next question. In my call logs, what do you think is the last dialed or last received call? Answers.
It's Aryan.
Modi. Modi ji.
Aryan.
दोनों भी गलत हो. फुल कॉन्फिडेंस में दोनों गलत हो. मेरे लास्ट डायल में देख लो नंबर है एक्सिस बैंक वालों का.
Oh shit,
अभी तुम लोग के सामने आया था फोन. हेलो डियर. You all know it. अभी आया था. Still they don't know. And they're writing random names of guys and
It's not random. I know him. I've met him. Guys.
ये दोनों भी लूज कर दिए पॉइंट अगेन. सो द स्कोर स्टैंड्स टू 6-5
Yeah,
स्टिल.
I'm
ओके,
ready.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज समथिंग दैट आई से अ लॉट?
सच्ची वाला.
हाँ. 3, 2, 1 go.
Oh God, or what the?
तू चुप.
तुम दोनों गलत हो यार. जाओ भागो जैसे.
Oh God! Oh God! Who says that?
But I use a lot. तो फिर भी मिलोनी में what the
I win this.
ना,
I clearly
point
win this.
point
I have written.
point अलग अच्छे.
I have written. Oh God! Or what? You can't do. You have to give this point to me.
No,
It's 6-6.
no.
I only say so.
It still stands 6-5.
No.
Okay, so it still stands to 6-5
Yeah.
because दो क्वेश्चंस के आंसर ये लोग दे नहीं पाए और पहले भी एक. So ये लोग ने मेरे 3 क्वेश्चंस वेस्ट कर दिए. Literally waste. Okay, never mind. So the last question is, if given option to choose from these, money, fame, and hard work, what will I choose?
Simple.
Ready with your answer?
Yeah.
Quick, she's quick. Ready, guys?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hard work.
Hard work.
Yeah!
Simple.
Till it stands
AF.
for.
I win. Bish. 7-6. Score. pants down.
ठीक है, दोनों ने बहुत ही अच्छे से आंसर दिए, दोनों मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं।
I was close by.
या you're close enough.
अपने तो अपने होते।
मेरे दोनों अनमोल रतन ने इक्वली इस भाग्यता में भाग लिया।
मिलोनी का मुंह तो देखो।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, both know me equally we can say and it was super fun। मेरे को पता तो चला दोनों को प्यार और दोनों को मार तो पड़ेगी ही because वो तो पेटेंट है। and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and the challenge because challenge मैंने पहली बार किया है with my people and yeah, don't
Do
forget to
like, share,
and
comment, and
subscribe to
subscribe.
my channel.
RX Cherry Double E. Come on, guys.
Yay!
Show your love, support. Keep going.
आने दो। I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Guys, पुच्ची दो पुच्ची। 1, 2, Bye.